Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix the problem when you have internet connection but you cannot browse Google Chrome. Or open Google Play Store apps. So here they actually load, but if we press on any app we have this error. So in order to fix this on the Motorola Moto G52, we'll need to open our settings. From here move all the way down and find System. Click on Date and Time and enable Set Time automatically. Now if we go back and open Google Chrome, reload that same page. It loads without any problem. And the same is with Google Play Store. Now the app should work. You will need to restart them and click install. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave a like and a comment below.